So now see here, question number partnership final account, question number 12. Okay. So Dhara and Mira are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Final account of their partners form are as follows. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया है, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट दिया हुआ है, उसके बाद प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट दिया हुआ है, मिक्स दिया हुआ है. ओके. और जो है वो गलत है पूरा, क्योंकि जिसने वो अकाउंट बनाया है पूरा गलत बनाया है. ओके. तो आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग ऑफ द एनुअल अकाउंट इट इज फाउंड दैट, ये तो आप एडजस्टमेंट दिया है नीचे. ओके. 2 मिनट यहाँ पे क्या आगे क्या दिया था, दैट इज फाइनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ देयर पार्टनरशिप आर एज फॉलोज. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द पार्टनर्स ऑफ धारा एंड मीरा फॉर द ईयर 31/17. ओके. तो ये आपको ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट दिया हुआ है एंड प्रॉफिट एंड अकाउंट इज गिवन. ओके. एंड बैलेंस शीट ऑल्सो गिवन. 5% interest on capital is calculated, 10% depreciation on building is to be provided. Part prepaid salary, that is rupees 400. Interest on investment is given. Okay. So ऊपर का एडजस्टमेंट के बाद नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है, प्रिपेयर रिवाइज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. व्हाट इन्वेस्टमेंट यानी, हाँ हाँ 2 मिनट वो तो देखते. ओके. प्रिपेयर रिवाइज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and balance sheet. Okay. So you have to made here revise trading account and profit and loss account, all these things. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको the balance is already given. Here trading account and profit and loss account is already given, but that is wrong. You have to made it revise. Okay. So revise trading account, revise profit and loss account. Okay. So draw here, that is a revised trading account, and next revise profit and loss account. Okay. Yes. Trading account, PL account, same as it is. Okay. And here capital also given here. Okay. Current account is not given. So first is, that is a revised trading account. Revised trading account. That is for 10 to 15 lines. Okay, maximum. Next one, that is a revised profit and loss account. Revised profit and loss account. Next one, that is a profit and loss appropriation account. Revise profit and loss appropriation. Profit and loss account. Second one is profit and loss account. Third one is profit and loss appropriation account. After that, that is a partners capital account. Partners capital account. Okay. And after that, that is a balance sheet. Okay. First one, a trading account. Second one, profit and loss account. Third one, profit and loss appropriation account. Fourth one, partners capital account, and last balance sheet. Okay. So in, no, it should be okay. So here next, no, but you have to put it. Okay. So in partners capital account, date, particular, and name of partners. First, that's it. Yeah. Whole adjustment is transferred to partners capital account. Okay, because current account is not given. So Dhara and Mira are the two partners. Date, particular, Dhara and Mira. Dhara and Mira. Okay. So now we start with the adjustment. So what is adjustment is given here? That is a 5% interest on capital is not calculated. Okay. 5% interest on capital is not calculated. So first of all, record capital. Okay. Now what is capital? So on 1/4/16 by balance brought down. Dhara's capital, that is a 1,60,000, and Mira's capital, that is a 1,20,000. Okay, 160 and 120, that is the balance. Okay, Now after one line 31st 3 17 by interest on capital. Now how much interest capital? That is 5%. Okay. So 1,60,000 5% is 8,000 and 1,20,000 5% is 6,000. Now second effect, that is a profit and loss appropriation account debit side here to uh, interest 1,60,000 5% that is 8,000 and 1,20,000 5% is 6,000. Okay. Second effect, PL to debit side, that is Dhara and Mira. For Dhara, amount is here 8,000 and for Mira, that is a 6,000. Okay. 8 plus 6 14. So 1 4 14 14,000 is interest on capital. Okay. Next one, that is a 10% depreciation on building is to be provided. Okay. So because they are already made, that's why. Okay. In your textbooks they are already made. Okay. But that is wrong. So that's why you have to write revise. Okay. So here 10% depreciation on building. So building is recorded in asset side. Building. What is the amount of building is given in your textbook? That is a 2,40,000. Okay. How much? 2,40,000. Minus depreciation, how much? 10%. So on 2,40,000 depreciation, 24,000 will be minus from that. Okay. So 2,40,000 minus 24,000. Value will be 2,16,000. Value is be 2,16,000. Okay. Second effect, that is the depreciation on building. That is a PL account debit side. Two, depreciation on building. That is a 24,000. Okay. 24,000. Yes. Okay. Next one, that depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Hello. Balance sheet asset side and second PL account debit side. Okay. PL account debit side. Revised profit loss account. Okay. PL account debit side. Next one, that is a prepaid salary. Uh, Prepaid salary is rupees 400. Okay. So prepaid salary. First of all, record salary here. So two salary. What salary is given in your trial balance, the PL account? Salary is given how much? That is 8,000. Okay, 8,000 is given in your profit and loss account minus prepaid. Minus prepaid. What is the amount of prepaid? Prepaid salary, that is a 400. Okay, 400. So 8,000 minus 400, that is a 7,600. Okay. Now second effect, prepaid salary means balance sheet asset side here. Prepaid salary. How much salary? That is a 400. That is a 400. Okay, prepaid salary. Next one, interest on investment not recorded, not received is rupees 800. Okay, interest on investment not received. So investments always comes on asset side. Okay, so investment. What is the investment? 24,000. Okay, and interest on investment not received, that is 800. So not received interest 800. So total is 24,800. Okay. So interest investment not received, it's record on PL account credit side. Okay. PL account credit side by interest on investment. How much amount? That is a 800. Okay. What is the amount? That is a 800. Okay. Next one, that is a bad debt reserve of rupees 12,000 1200 is to be maintain. Okay, so BDR 1200 is to maintain. So record here debtors. Okay, and debtors amount how much? That is a 56,000. So record here 56,000 minus BDR. Okay, 1200. So 56,000 minus 1 debtors is 56,000 minus BDR 1200. Okay, BDR 56,000 minus BDR 1200. Value is how much? That is 800 here. Now from 5 minus 1, that is 4. 54800. Okay, because here 56,000 minus 1200. 54800. Okay, second, that is it is record on PL account debit side. Okay, format is that debtors minus bad debt minus BDR minus DRD. Okay, bad debt is not given, DRD not given, so BDR. Okay, so second one, that is a second effect PL account debit side to bad debt. Bad debt is given. Yes, bad debt is given. How much? 8,000. Okay, old bad debt is given 8,000 plus new bad debt is not given, so don't record here. New BDR is given. New BDR. How much amount? 1200. Okay, amount is 1200. New BDR. Now minus old BDR. Old BDR is given. Bad debt return is given. Not BDR is not given old. Okay. So add these two value and record in outer column. Okay. That is a 9,200. 9,200. Okay. So here bad debt is finished. Now second one, that is the credit purchase of rupees 1600 is not recorded. Credit purchase. Where it is recorded? Credit purchase. Yes. Trading account debit side. So purchase is given. Yes. So what is a purchase? Purchase is given. No, purchase is not given, but cost of goods sold is given. Okay, so record here to cost of goods sold. Okay, but that is a purchase. Okay, 4,64,000. That is the one type of purchase because cost of goods sold equals to, that is a opening stock plus purchase expenses minus closing stock. That is called cost of goods sold. Okay, so cost of goods sold equals to opening stock plus purchase expenses minus closing stock equals to cost of goods sold. Okay, and that is a 4,64,000. Okay, and here credit purchase is there. How much amount? 1600. So record here plus credit purchase, unrecorded credit purchase, unrecorded credit purchase. What is the amount? 1600. Now add this value here. What is the cost? That is a 600. 4 plus 1 5. So 4,65,600 is the total cost. Okay. Now second effect कहाँ पे आएगा? Balance sheet left side. Okay. Add to creditors. What is the amount of creditors? Let's check. Okay. Amount of creditors, that is 32,000 plus unrecorded trade purchase. Okay. How much? 1600. The total is 33,600. Okay. Now let's check the amount of purchase. Now here cost of goods sold, that is a 4,64,000. Okay. Plus 1600. That is 165,600. Okay. So your adjustment is finished. Now come to the trial. So creditors 32,000 plus unrecorded credit purchase 1600. Total is 33600. Okay. So now next one, that is a, so one by one. Now we start from trial balance. Okay. But trial balance not, but revise profit and loss account. So cost of goods sold we record already. Okay. Office expense, where it is coming? Office expense कहाँ पे आएगा office expense? Yes, PL account debit side. Okay, here office expense. Office expense, how much amount? 80,000. Okay. Next one, showroom rent, PL account debit side. Okay. Two, showroom rent. Showroom rent. All of you learn adjustment. Prashant, Anuj, why? Showroom rent, that is a 10,000. Next one, packing expenses. Where it is coming? Packing expense. Yes, packing expense. Okay. What is the amount of packing expense? 12,000. Okay. Amount is 12,000. Next one, what is given? Bad debt. Bad debt is complete. Okay. Next one, advertisement expense. Where it is come? PL account debit side. Okay. Advertisement expense. Okay. What is the cost of advertisement expense? 14,000. Next one, that is a selling and distribution expense. Two, selling and distribution expense. Distribution expense. Selling and distribution expense. How much cost? That is a 20,000. Okay. Financial expense. It is record on PL account debit side. Financial expense is a heading of PL account डेबिट साइड ओके फॉर्मेट बेटा लर्न किया उसमें क्या था एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट प्लस सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लस फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट ओके फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट मींस interest on capital, interest on loan. Okay, that is called financial cost. Okay, sundry expenses, same side. Okay, sundry expense means total expense. Okay, perchurant kharch, that is a 16,000. Next one, that is a salary you already record here. Tax and insurance, debit side. Okay, tax and insurance, that is a 2,000. Okay. Next one, that is net profit is not recorded. Okay. Sales is given. Sales, where it is record sales, trading account, credit side, buy sales. Yeah. Buy sales, that is a how much amount? 7 lakh 84,000. Sundry income, where it is coming? Sundry income, PL account, credit side. Yes. Buy sundry income. What is the amount here? 7,000. Okay. Bad debt return, same side. Okay. Bad debt return is the income for the business. That's why. Okay. So your this side is over. Now come to the asset side. First of all, that is the first one given. That is a building is finished. Okay. Plant and machinery. Where is record plant and machinery? Yes, assets. So record asset side, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. How much amount plant and machinery? 20,000. Okay. Next one, furniture, asset side. Okay. What is the amount of furniture? 20,000. Next one, investment, asset side. Okay. That is finished. Current assets now. Cash balance, asset side. Cash balance, what is the amount of cash balance? That is a 10,000. Bank balance, that is a 25,000. Bills receivable, 5,000. Debtors already finished, okay. So now asset side is, yeah. Now asset side is clear, okay. Now come to the liability side. Capital we already recorded, okay. Drawing now. Drawing where it is coming? Capital is already recorded here, beta. In partners capital account credit side, okay. 160, 120. Now here, that is a drawing, okay. Two drawing. Two drawing. What is the drawing amount? That is a 48,000 for Dhara and Mira 24,000. Yes. So now creditor is already finished, okay. Next one, bills payable is left. So bills payable, that is a 8,000, okay. So now everything is finished, okay. Now total of this trading account. So here credit side total amount is here 7,84,000. Here 7,84,000 debit side, okay. Now minus this amount we received here GP, okay. So 7,84,000 minus 4,65,600. Value is how much? 3,18,400. Okay. Now this GP, okay, gross profit 3,18,400. Okay. Now add all this side here, credit side. So plus 800 plus 800. Next one that is a 7,000. Next one that is a 1,000. So total is 3,27,200. 3,27,200. Okay, and here is 3,27,200. Okay, so next one that is the net profit. Okay, so minus all this amount here, that is a 24,000. Next one that is a 7,600 minus 9,200 minus 80,000 minus 10,000 minus 12,000 minus 14,000 minus 20,000 minus 6,000 minus 16,000 minus 2,000. So what is cost? 1,26,400. Okay. So net profit is 1,26,400. Okay. Now this profit transferred to profit and loss appropriation account credit side by net profit. Okay. Now check the answer here, Vishesh. Net profit 126,400. So record here 126,400 by net profit. Okay. PL Pro credit side by net profit 1,26,400. Okay. So there is no item. So record same amount downside. Okay. So record here 1,26,400 on debit side and difference amount that is a divisible profit. Divisible profit. Okay. So 126 400 minus 14,000. What is the value? 126 400 minus 14,000. What is the value? 1,12,400. Okay. Now this residual profit is divided between the partners in old ratio. Okay, for Dhara and Mira. So what is the ratio here? Old ratio, that is the 3:2 is given here. Okay, in question, first line 3:2. Okay. So divide this 11,000 sorry 1,12,400 into 3. divided by 5. Value is 60. Yeah, double four double zero. Okay, minus 1,12,400. Value is 44,960. Okay. Now this usual profit transfer here 31st 317 by divisible profit, that is a 67,440, and here 44,960. Okay. So total of this credit side. Okay. So 1,60,000, 1,60,000 plus 8,000. Yes. Si- No, no, it should be right. Okay. Always. Capital is record on capital side. Hun, it is given. Yes, yes. If if current account balance is given, then all this adjustment transfer to current account. Okay. But here current account balance is not given, so all adjustment transfer to partners capital account. Okay. Next one, that is a 1,20,000 plus 6,000 plus 44,960. Total is 1,70,960. Okay. So total of this record here, total is 235,440, and here 1,70,960. 235,440. Okay. Same record here. Okay. Now difference is here. Two balance, cut it down. Okay. So here 17960 minus 24, minus 24,000, that is a 1,46,960. Here 2,35,440 minus 48,000. Value is 1,87,440. Check the answer, Vishesh. Partners. Okay. So that is a, because here that is a divisible profit is 67,440 is there. Okay. So we are right. Okay. Because here 440 and here is 60. Okay. Now see, there is no figure other than for 40 and 60. Okay. तो वो तो टोटल में आएगा ही 40 और 60. Okay. That is a printing mistake. And here second partner, what is the amount? 146,147,000. What is the amount of second partner, Mira? Okay. So that is not our mistake. Okay. That is printing mistake. So now next one, that is a balance sheet asset side. Record here capital. Capital balance for Dhara and Mira. Okay. For Dhara, how much? 187 440. 187 440. And for Mira, 146 960. 146 960. Okay. No, 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 no. So 0, 6 plus 4 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 7 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1. So 3,34,000. Okay. 3,34,000 is the answer here. Now add all this value. 3,34,000 plus 8,000 plus 33,600. Value is how much? 3,75,600. Okay. How much? 76,600. Okay. Let's we check. Okay. First of all, total of this asset side, how much? 2,16,000 plus 24,800, plus 54,800, 54,800 plus 20,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 5,000 plus 400. Okay, so that is a 3,76,000. Okay, 3,76,000. So difference is of rupees 400. Let's we see 3 3. Okay, okay. So here 1,87,440 plus 146,960. Okay, so double three, yeah, double three, double four. Yeah, sorry. So double three, double four, double zero. So value is here. That is a 3,76,000. Okay. So here total is here 3,34,400. Okay. So your balance sheet is tally. Okay. That is the 3,76,000. Okay.